The WHO chief Tedros Adhanom on May 14 said that India's COVID-19 situation remains hugely concerning, with several states continuing to see a worrying number of cases, hospitalization and deaths. Sirening a warning, WHO chief said that the pandemic's second year will be far more deadly than the first for the world. Tedros added that the WHO is responding to the COVID-19 surge in India and has shipped thousands of oxygen concentrators, tents for mobile field hospitals, masks and other medical supplies.
India remains hugely concerning, with several states continuing to see a worrying number of cases, hospitalizations and deaths. WHO is responding and has shipped thousands of oxygen concentrators, tents for mobile field hospitals, masks and other medical supplies. And we thank all the stakeholders for supporting India. But it's not only India that has emergency needs. Nepal, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand and Egypt are just some of the countries that are dealing with spikes in cases and hospitalizations.
Meanwhile, India is in the midst of a deadly second wave of COVID-19 with 3,26,098 people testing positive for the virus on May 14th. India also added 3,890 deaths in the last 24 hours due to COVID-19. Currently, the country's caseload stands at 2,43,72,907 and the death toll stands at 2,66,207.
Yes, of course. There is a remarkable difference between the first wave of COVID-19 and the current second wave. Now in India, we have more than 5 mutants, and some of these mutants are spreading really faster and some of them are more dangerous. But let me tell you, and that's the good news, the modern medicine has got sufficient time for research, and we have been researching for more than 1.5 years now, and now the modern medicine is now equipped with the investigations to be done in positive patients, and we are now well aware of the medications to be used in different stages of the disease. But for in general all of you, the advice during this second wave will be, please stay at home, wear a N95 mask if possible, or else you can use a double mask. Use a surgical mask and then on top of it use a cloth mask, and make sure it is tight, it is fitting tight over the face. You know, now we have realized that COVID-19 is spreading as an airborne disease, and hence it is always better, if possible, to stay within the house itself. But remember, we do have effective medications for the earlier stages of the disease, so that with appropriate tests done at home, we can recognize early signals of deterioration, prevent the deteriorating status, prevent the hospitalizations, and effectively prevent transformation from mild or moderate to the severe forms of the disease.